What is happening, guys? Mike here, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a pretty cool video planned for us. We're talking about two things that personally I love talking about here on the channel: homebrewed products and clays. And today we got a brand new clay coming to us straight from Mexico. Should make for a pretty cool video. Let's get started. Okay, so before we get rolling on this today, I do want to share with you real quick that today's wardrobe has been graciously sent over by Trendy Butler. I have talked about Trendy Butler a lot here on the channel in the past. They do not pay me anything, they just send me their awesome boxes, and today we got a new outfit provided by them. If you want to see more about them, check out my previous videos on them, and I'll have their info in the description. I highly recommend you check them out. I really enjoy some of the clothes that they send out. Just wanted to let you guys know about that because I know you guys are always asking me about where I get my clothes and all that types of stuff. Just wanted to let you guys in on that. But as for today, we are talking about the Sun City Matte Clay. This is from a new homebrewing outfit out of Mexico called the Sun City Grooming Company. This is really awesome for me for two reasons. One, you already know I love clays, and two, I really enjoy seeing products from other parts of the world. They offered me the chance to check out their first product here, one that they've actually said that they've been developing for a really long time. So I was really excited to get a look at it and offer you guys my thoughts. But of course, before we do that, we need to take a closer look at this product and get some specs on it. Here we go. Coming across my desk today is the first product from the Mexican homebrewing brand, the Sun City Grooming Company. Reading about this product, it right away stood out to me as being somewhat different than a lot of the clays we have been seeing in the community lately. Its dedication to nourishment of the hair definitely captured my curiosity and made me wonder how that would translate to performance. According to the brewer, the Sun City Matte Clay is a water-based, lightweight styling product with a medium to high hold and a matte finish. It's designed to create texture in the hair while also leaving it in a nourished and healthy state. Scent-wise, it features a smooth barbershop scent and comes right now in a 4-ounce glass jar, but will soon be transferring over to a 4-ounce plastic jar later this month, and has a price tag of $17.50 US. Looking inside the jar, we're met with a light gray pasty looking product. Scooping it out of the jar is very easy and smooth. It has a very light and pasty consistency to it, and breaking it down in the hand is very nice and easy. It really breaks down with little to no effort. Now on to the demo. I chose to demo this product today on dry hair. I did use it in a number of different ways, and this was the one that I found gave me the best results. Dry hair, no pre-stylers, no tonics, just my hair and 2 scoops. Working it in the hair is super easy. No tug or pull at all is noticed here, and instantly that nourishing and soft feeling is very apparent. That being said, this is not a very grippy or sticky product, which was something I was expecting, being it's described as a medium to high hold. That hold itself is also somewhat lacking here. As we can see, it's just not allowing my hair to mold in the same way a medium to high holding product would. Also, I think we can see here that initially this is quite far from a matte finish. I am, however, able to get a good style out of this product with just the 2 scoops and a lot of finger combing. Now, like I said a second ago, I did try this product a few different ways. Using more product, using less product, even pre and post styling. Why I settled on using 2 scoops was because of the finish that produces there. In my hair, this product just simply didn't produce the matte finish I was looking for. And the more product I used, it just got further and further from that finish and the texture. So for example, if I used 3 or 4 scoops, I had the finish and the texture of using a medium hold, medium shine pomade. The same goes for pre-styling with this. You can actually pre-style with this clay, which is pretty cool, but it just didn't give me that finish that I was looking for. So in the end, I found that if I wanted that texture and less shine, I had to use 2 scoops on dry hair, which is what I did. Now that being said, it's extremely important to note that this product does go through sort of a shift. The finish actually does lighten up and go through somewhat of a change, but again, that's based on how much you have in there. Here is a look at the settled results from the demo about an hour after it being staying in my hair. We can see the finish has gone down a little bit. I'd gauge it here at more of a natural level than where it was initially. Some of the texture too has become a tiny bit more visible. I do also think though that that hold has gone down here a little bit too. Of course, I also wanted to give you guys a look at how it lasted throughout the day. So here's a look at what we had around 4 hours in, where we can see nothing's really changed. It's still for the most part holding together pretty nicely. And then finally at the 8-hour mark, we can see that some of it's starting to fall apart a bit, but with some finger combing, we can see here it's able to be reshaped and somewhat refreshed. Now the scent on here is a barbershop scent, and to be totally honest with you, I'm a little bit indifferent on it. I think I would really hate it if it was any stronger than what it is, but luckily it's not extremely strong once it gets out of the jar. The washout though was fairly easy. It didn't wash out with just water, but it did wash out with one shampoo. So again, that's pretty easy. Overall, this one did kind of remind me a little bit of my collab with Flagship Limitless, with just a little bit less hold for me and a little bit more shine. I think your hair type really has everything to do with how this product will perform for you. Now, my hair is fairly thick, but I am able to get away with a lot. And I know people out there who have 3 times thicker hair than me, and it's those folks who I think will not get the medium hold out of this clay. If you need something that's really going to lock in your thick hair, then this one I just don't think will do it. However, if you can get away with lighter holding products, or you even have thin or straight hair, then I think it's going to be a totally different experience for you. It's going to definitely perform with more hold. For that reason, I do find it to be just a very unique product, and as we saw with the endurance test, it's just really lightweight in the hair and overall light holding, but it still somewhat controls the hair. It also makes it kind of hard to judge because it's very apparent to me that its performance weighs heavily upon the type of hair you have. If your hair has a natural shine to it like mine does, then that finish isn't going to be fully matte. If your hair though is super dry with no natural shine, then I think you will see that matte finish and you'll get some of the conditioning benefits too. Now, of course, in the end, I encourage you to check out this product and form your own opinion if you're interested. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below how it worked for you. I'd be interested to hear how this one works out for you guys. If you would like to check it out, there will be a link in the description along with a coupon code to save you a little money on your order. If you did find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button for me and drop me a comment down below as well. I really enjoy seeing all those awesome comments you guys leave. I really appreciate all the kind words you guys put on all my videos. And if you haven't already, I do want to remind you to hit that subscribe button for me. I am trying to get to 25,000 subs this year, and I think we can do it, but you gotta hit that button. But that is it for today. I want to thank you so much for stopping by the channel today and checking out this video. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.